This challenge in the new skate game called Sound Check is bugged. And it's not the easiest challenge in the world. After completing all of this goals, you get the reward, but it doesn't show on the map that you have completed the challenge. So yeah, you do this and you see on the map it's not completed, but you have completed and you have collected all of the rewards. If you did all of the goals, it only won't show on the map, but you have already done it. It's just a bug. They probably fix it on the new patch. Let's see what happens. See?